Mother's Day 2024, May the 12th, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, coming out of Rossville, Georgia, on US Highway 27 South. I think we must have missed 41, but I may be wrong. US 27 and Georgia 1. A nice looking little Jeep back there. We have to call them tomorrow and check it out. GoPro's gotten hot and cut off twice. S22 Ultra's charging. I guess we could hook up the Osmo, but right now we're recording with the S22. Catoosa County. Circle K 319. With their app, sometimes I save a quarter. I like their coffee too. I'm about ready for a coffee. I think we've got some good video. Beat up Chevrolet van. I wonder what they're going to rent. If I had that one that's extended one little section, that would make a big difference for me. I guess they call them the passenger vans instead of the cargo van. I didn't mean for that to turn around. Okay, Georgia 2, 75, Georgia 2, South US 27. We have missed 41 some way, somehow. Battlefield Parkway. If we turn left here, that'd take us south. What are we doing? I'm just about hungry enough to eat a Crystal. Sometimes you just have to have one, you know, 2 or 3. I gotta speed up, catching these blooming red lights. Jack Wiggs. Lafayette Road. This must be US 27. Or Lafayette. Don't you turn. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. I'm not stopping. Chickamauga. We could ride the bike here. There's some campsites here too somewhere. Campsites, primitive campsites at the Blue Hole. I don't think that did any good, did it? Should be sites at the Pocket. There's some free sites along the Pocket Road over there. Along the creek. This would be a nice place to park the van back up here at the office. Guest center, whatever it is. And take the riding tour on the bike. This off, and this will probably end our videos. We may get a night video tonight. Speed limit 35, I'm running 45. Slow down. That's the way they're going to be. US 27, I don't know where it goes up north, but it is a nice drive from here on down into Florida. I think it goes through Tallahassee. Welcome to the city of Chickamauga. I think I got it right, Chickamauga. I'll find out if it's not, though, because people will tell me. Food Lyon. Let's turn it off right now. It may be a wrap.